Welcome to today's theme park adventures, where today I am at EPCOT and I'm about to go on Guardians of the Galaxy. And as you can see from the title of this video, Guardians of the Galaxy has finally had its virtual queue removed. Now, quick heads up, what the virtual queue meant was that you had to go online, book a virtual queue at either 7 o'clock or 1 o'clock, but for 1 o'clock one you had to be inside the parks to do it. The first time we did this, luckily we got the 1 o'clock one, but about 10 seconds after 7 o'clock in the morning, the ones at 7 completely were sold out. So there was only two ways you could get on this. Just spam the refresh button on the virtual queue, or book some lightning lanes which you had to pay for. But now, I think this is a far better choice, because now if you go onto the ride, since the virtual queue's been taken away, you can go on it whenever you want, as long as the park's open, and you're guaranteed the ride. So yeah, it doesn't really matter how long you wait, you're always guaranteed that ride. So yeah, it's only 75 minutes, let's jump on. So now we are 20 minutes into the queue and we are about where we were when we joined the virtual queue, which I don't know how long it took, but it took about 40 to 50 minutes. So yeah, fingers crossed this queue moves fast. So we are just before the pre-show. It's been 45 minutes and we've got 30 minutes to spare and we're right next to the pre-show. The theming of this queue line is immense, like absolutely immense, as you can see on the screen. Even met a fan of the channel, but yeah, we're almost there. So we have spent 1 hour and 5 minutes, 65 minutes in this queue. Advertisement was 75 minutes. But yeah, we are just about to get on, so let's do it. Just coming off of Guardians of the Galaxy without the virtual queue. We waited 1 hour and 5 minutes for it. I think the decision of taking away the virtual queue was very, very good. It had to happen at some point, and I feel very lucky that this Florida trip, I went on it with the virtual queue and without the virtual queue in 1-2 week trip. So I feel very special now, since now I'm part of that ride. But yeah, it's always an amazing ride. I feel like the song, one way or another, was better than last time. Then I think we've got to remember this time. But yeah, it's always a great classic at EPCOT here. Although it's only been open a couple of years, it is still a ride I've been longing to get on ever since it opened. We also met a fan of the channel all the way here in America. Like, I feel like America might have been the last place I might meet a fan of the channel. But yeah, very nice. And yeah, thank you for the support for whoever that was. And you know what? Vekoma are definitely getting better with their rides here. Since in Magic Kingdom they made Tron a couple of years ago, and also Guardians of the Galaxy is also a Vekoma. Two world-class rides are the best company in the world, in my opinion. I'm probably hearing some of you at home right now thinking, no, Vekoma are not the best company in the world for theme park manufacturing. I actually think they are. They've made some epic rides like Navi and the Force, this, Tron, the list goes on. Yeah, so Vekoma are definitely getting better with their rides. Thank you to the fan of the channel. Guardians of the Galaxy, great decision that they took off the virtual queue, and I'm glad to be here for the opening day of no virtual queue Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Thank you for watching today's Theme Park Adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.